Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Kanika from Kanak. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for receiving further notifications. So today we will learn some Instagram tips and tricks on how to get more likes and followers on our page. So let's get started. So first you need to open your Instagram account. So here it is mine, Kanak Jaipur. See, these are some of my posts on our page. And these are some highlights which I have shown on my page. So all you need to do is add on your photograph. So you need to select your photo. You can zoom in or zoom out as per your choice. I zoomed in the photograph as I wanted a zoomed photo to be shown. So now you can edit the pre-recorded filters in them. So here are some of the filters which are already present on the Instagram app. If you like these filters, so you can select these only, or if you want some more filter of your own, so you can add that too. Even if you want to add some depthness, or if you want to increase or decrease as per your choice the density of the filter, so you can do that too. So I decided to choose the normal photograph and have edit of my own. So now here are some of the filters which I can add, like brightness, contrast, shadows, tilt, shift, sharpen. So these are some of the editing I can do it by myself. So firstly I decided to brighten my photo. So here I go. I added some brightness. So when we go to the right side, we can add the brightness, and when we go to the left side, we can decrease. So I decided to brighten my photo. So next edit, I'll be adding some contrast to my photo. So when we go to the right side, we can add some contrast, and on left side, we can decrease the contrast. So I decided to have some contrast on my photograph. So as I'm done with the contrast settings, so now we can see the difference between the older photograph and the new edited photograph. So now we move on to our next edit, that is warmth. So I'll add some warmth to my photograph. So it can be positive or a negative. So I decided to go on for a positive warmth. So it seems perfect. So now you can see the perfect clear difference between the older photograph and the newer edited one. So now we move on to our next edit, that is saturation. So I'll saturate my photo a little bit. So you can have a positive or a negative. So I wanted some positive saturation, and that would be a minimal amount of saturation on my photograph to make it look a real photograph and not a edited one. So now I'm done, and now I'll highlight my photograph a little bit. I make sure after editing the photo should look real and not a clearly edited photo. So now you can see a difference. Although it has brightened my photo, but it doesn't look fake photograph. So now I'll check that if some more editing is needed. So if needed, I'll edit that for sure. But I don't think, apart from sharpening the photograph, I need more edit. So I'll just sharpen my photograph a little bit. So I think it's perfect. So you can see the clear difference between the older and the newer one. So some edit I did was brighten my photograph, added some contrast, warmth. I saturated my photograph, I highlighted it a little bit and sharpened it a little more. So now we move on to our next step, that is what to write on a photograph. So as they're customized earrings, so I'll write customized earrings and add a emoji, that of a heart. As my earrings are pink and yellow, so I decided to add a heart emoji of pink color. So now we'll write some hashtags. So now this is a important task, and now we'll add some hashtags, and they help us to grow more likes. If you want to know more about these hashtags and how to write and what to write as hashtag, do comment down below, and I will make sure to make a separate video featuring more details about hashtags on Instagram. Hashtags plays a role in boosting our posts, so you can now clearly see the difference in our post at last, that after using hashtags we'll get more likes as compared to the likes we used to get. So I'll add some of the hashtags, and if you want to know what exact hashtag you should write on your post, you can comment down below and I'll surely help you guys to know. So you can write maximum of 30 hashtags in your post. So there are some information you should know. So if you want to boost your post using hashtag, a minimum amount of hashtag you should use is 11. So if you're writing some hashtags, don't forget to write at least 11 hashtags in your post. So after writing 11 hashtags in your post will automatically get boosted, and Instagram helps you to get more likes on your photograph. So here I have added more than 11 hashtags on my photo. So now I'll make a count that the hashtags does not exceed 30, because after using 30 hashtags, the write-up you have already written, it won't be shown. So you need to count that you don't exceed the limit. So if you write more than 30 hashtags, the write-up will automatically get deleted and you will be left with no write-up on your photo after posting it. So please make sure to use not more than 30 hashtags. So now we'll add location. So as you know, I am in Jaipur, so I'll add location, that is Jaipur, Rajasthan. You can also add your photograph on Facebook page or Twitter account as per your wish. I decided not to post right now, so now I'll share my photograph. So as you can see, my photo is getting posted. So as you can see, it is being posted, so I'll make sure to see my account. So I need to wait for some seconds to get some likes or followers on my page. So I'll reload it till I get some likes on my page. So as you can see, I got first likes. I'll see on my notification bar. So I'll keep on reloading so that I come to know about the likes on my photograph.